If you want to know how to download itch.io games quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find a game on itch.io, install it, choose where it saves on your device, and wait for the download to finish. This is a great method if you're new to itch.io and want a clear, beginner-friendly guide without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software and gaming guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for the game you want to download. You can type the game name directly or browse through categories and featured pages until you find it. When you open the game page, take a quick look at the details so you know you're on the right page before downloading. After that, find the install button on the game page and click it. This is the step that starts the download process. Depending on the game and the way the creator has set it up, itch.io may open a small download or installation prompt. When that happens, choose the location where you want the game file to be saved. It's usually best to pick a folder you can easily find later, like Downloads or a dedicated Games folder. Once you've selected the location, click Install to begin the download. Now all you need to do is wait for the download to complete. Some games may download very quickly, while larger games might take a little longer depending on your internet speed and the file size. After it finishes, you can go to the folder you selected and open the game files from there. If the game includes extra instructions from the developer, make sure to read those too, since some itch.io games need an extra launch step or specific setup before playing. And that's it. You've now learned how to download itch.io games in just a few simple steps. Again, the process is go to itch.io, search and open the game page, click Install, choose the location, click Install again, and wait for the download to complete. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments what game you're trying to download next.